What is your name? आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम AKD है.
Speak English. Hindi में बात करो. Habla español. Говорить по-русски. Качуй!
Hello, welcome to another episode of Learning Languages, and you know that this is the Hindi series. As I said, I've been learning Hindi, and the whole of this week I've been on Hindi. I just found out that Laoshu 55,000 just passed away, and it's sad. It's one of the guys I've been watching recently, and I like his videos. He speaks so many languages, including Twi, which I speak, my native language. He is a great inspiration to everybody trying to learn a language. Wherever he is, may his soul rest in peace. He's a great inspiration, and he will always remain so. I would advise that if you are learning a language, you should check out several channels, check out several people, because you can't learn from just one place. There's no set time that you can accomplish learning a language. You can't just say, I'm going to learn this in 3 months or 5 months. Language depends on how frequently you learn and how much you practice. That's how fast you can go. So if you have several channels you're learning from, several people, it's going to help you so much. It is true that if you want everyone to think like you, then you don't want anyone to think at all. So try your best, learn from as many sources as you can, put together your phrases, and try to get them right whenever you speak. So some of the channels I checked out are Learning Hindi with Hindi Pod 101. There's a guy, Bowed and Bankrupt. He does very well, he speaks very well. I'm learning from him also. Carl Rock. There's a channel pronounced India. And then another guy, Polyglot Pablo. I may have scrambled upon a few others, but these are the ones I took most of my notes from. So the first thing I learned is, what's your name? What is your name? आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है? What's your name? And how do you respond? मेरा नाम AKD है. Where do you come from? आप कहाँ से? आप कहाँ से? Where are you from? And मैं Ghana से. I come from Ghana. मैं Ghana से. आप कहाँ से? Now, from one channel, I realized that they say "Ab ahase hai," and a different channel from I think Carl Rock or Bored and Bankrupt. Yeah, Bored and Bankrupt. He said "Ab ahase." So it's just the he at the end that was missing, but I think both may work though. So "Ab ahase," where are you from? Me Ghana se. I come from Ghana. I learned how to say thank you. Danivad. I learned how to say see you later. Fermilinge. I think most of the things I learned are escaping me right now, but the few that have stayed are these. What's your name? My name is this. Where do you come from? It's just a week, and I'm taking things quite slow, but on point. Yeah, I just remembered I learned how to say I'm learning Hindi. मैं हिंदी सीख रहा हूँ. मैं हिंदी सीख रहा हूँ. And I know I'll have to polish it up a little. So I'm still on it. Sometimes you may speak something and a native will be confused. And that's a problem you have to avoid whenever you are learning or speaking a language. Because you can't go and disgrace yourself like that. It's not possible. Namaste. greetings to you. Namaskar. So namaste, namaskar. They all mean the same thing. Good day, greetings. Aap kaise hai? How are you? Aap kaise hai? I'm fine. I'm fine was मैं I am fine. Alright, it looks like it has escaped me a little also, but I'm going to get it the next time I make a video. Whatever you're learning, you need to revise a few times over and over again for it to stick. आप कैसे हैं? मैं I think मैं अच्छा. Yeah. Acha is good. I'm good. मैं अच्छा something. There's something else on it, but you can just say acha or acha. आप कैसे हैं? Acha, and then yeah, okay. But there's one more. I am good. When you use the मैं acha something. These are just a few notes I wrote down, and I'll be learning them over and over. I'll add a few more phrases to it this week, and then in the next video, I hope I would have covered all these and move on to the next one. Now, the way I'm approaching the Hindi is similar to how we are doing with the French on the channel. So you realize that right after the greeting, I'll be going to the next area of study. This is just an update to let you know that I have officially begun learning the Hindi. And so if you happen to speak Hindi or you're learning or any other language, you can just put it in the comment below. I'll be sure to reply you. And if you're learning French, also don't forget to check out our French playlist on the channel. And any other language, just subscribe and let's keep the journey going. Until we meet again, Firmilenge.